With Pharmaton, want it, win it. Sa kabila ng pagiging busy sa kanilang mga schedules, nag-basketball ang mga artista sa Music Hall ng Mall of Asia. Ang mga sikat na nagpakitang gilas ay sina Antonio Aquitania, James Blanco, Polo Rabales, Jason Gainza, John Hole, Carlos Morales, Archie Alemania, at si Marco Alcaraz. Hindi mo akalaing mahusay ding mag-basketball ang mga ta-artists na ito. They know the winning form.
The first thing is I'm gifted. God has blessed me with good genes. But I go to the gym often, I box, I play basketball. I just stay active.
Every day halos basketball kami rin. Kapag may mga out of town, basketball pa rin kami. Kami pa rin magkakasama. Tapos kung walang ginagawa, gym. Eat healthy foods para hindi nakakataba.
I find time to go to the gym, workout or jog. Tapos ganito, mga pick-up games sa basketball. Malaking tulong to para maging physically fit ka.
Workout.
Ano talaga, tawag dito, proper diet, at saka proper exercise. Yun lang.
And unang-una, siyempre, kailangan tayo uminom ng vitamins, Pharmaton, kung ano man, mga multivitamins. Walang puyat, walang bisyo. Dapat regularly nasa gym ka, pinapawisan ka, meron kang ginagawa, hindi lang lagi ka nasa bahay.
Siguro, as much as possible, I go to the gym, then play basketball, then nag-wakeboard din ako. So, yun.
Pharmaton is the complete mind and body. Multivitamins will fight the causes of physical and mental fatigue.
Well, whether or not you are playing basketball, Pharmaton helps improve your attention and concentration. It strengthens your stamina. So you can last through the day for sure without any problems, and you can achieve all the things you want to do for that day with Pharmaton.
After all, basketball is a sport that needs both physical strength and mental strategy to win.
Talagang hilig ko na mag-basketball. Yun lang talaga yung sports na ginagawa ko. Aside from basketball and boxing.
Dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, hilig naman talaga basketball, pag hindi basketball, boxing. Kaya, tsaka at the same time, kumbaga banding na rin sa ibang kapwa-artista natin. At tapos, mas lahat gumagana kasi, tapos isip mo, para diskarte, tapos kamay. Kaya magandang exercise.
Matangkad ako, then yung dad ko rin naglalaro ng basketball. So, pinag-aaral niya ako ng mga Milo Best, then nag-varsity rin ako ng elementary, high school, college. So, yun.
With Pharmaton, want it, win it. At yan ang ating winning form.